the second day of Christmas, a challenge came to me. A jingle jar for my pixie. Hey there, festive friends. Welcome back to our 12 Days of Christmas series. Let's continue this jolly journey with a challenge. Introducing the Jingle Jar Challenge. Here's how it works. Grab a jar, make it as festive as you'd like, because it's the holiday spirit. And every time you resist a holiday spending temptation, drop a jingle, whether a coin or a bill, into your jar. For example, if you skip that extra cup of holiday themed coffee, yes, I'm a Starbucks addict myself, or you resist buying that shiny ornament, ka-ching! That money goes straight into the jingle jar. You can even take it a step further and save particular sets of bills.
Is a big difference.
If you are a Jamaican or affiliated with Jamaica, you may have known that we've printed new bills and pretty much doing away with the old ones. My husband has been saving all his old $100 bills, and I've been saving 50s. So whether it's new or old, I've been saving those. Depending on where you are in the world, decide on the bill you'd want to save, and this could be your twist on the Jingle Jar Challenge. If you do this, by the end of the 12 days, not only will your willpower be stronger than ever, but you'll also have a jar filled with saved jingles. Now that's what you call a festive fun. And here's the best part. Use your Jingle Jar savings for something special. It could be a little holiday treat for yourself, or a gift for a loved one or pixie, or even a contribution to your favorite charity. The main idea is that you turn those saved jingles into joy. So, tell me, are you up for the Jingle Jar Challenge this holiday season? Let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe or follow button to join us for the rest of our 12 days of Christmas. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow for more tips. Until then, keep saving those jingles and spreading the holiday cheer. Happy holidays and stay thrifty. Bye!